Let me share with you how to grill this fish. Trust me, you will love it. Okay, so on our bill of fare today, we have grilled fish. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena, and welcome to my kitchen where I share easy recipes with you. Trust me, you will love it here because this place is always the best. Without wasting much of your time, let's start with today's activity. I have with me here my belt fish. Okay, so this is how the belt fish look like. Okay, now we are just going to remove the intestine and then the growth from it. Then after that, we will continue with what I want to share with you. We are on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. My returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always having some time with me. I don't take it for granted, okay? I am so grateful. So you separate it, okay? And then you pull all the intestine and everything from the tummy. After you are done, then we continue with whatever thing we'll do. You can see it was very simple to do so. Now let me share with you how you are going to cut this. Okay, so we are going to cut it into the pieces we want, and then we will continue. Have you liked the video? If you haven't, can you please do so for me? And I'll be very happy if you share the video to others. Please let me see your comment in the comment section and share this video to others. Okay, so we share short videos on our TikTok, Instagram, and then YouTube shorts. Trust me, you will love them because they are very detailed. So please follow us there, and then let's cook together. Yes, now with this recipe we will be cutting the fins. Okay, should you don't want to cut it, you can decide not to cut it. Yes, I actually do not use the head, but I don't know why I added the head to what I am doing. Yeah, I don't usually use it, but sometimes if I'm preparing palm nut soup, I don't mind adding that to it. Now I will cut everything like how you are seeing on the screen, and then when I am done, we will proceed. Are you still with me? If yes, thank you so much for spending some time with me. I don't take it for granted, but please do not forget to subscribe for more videos, and then leave me your comment in the comment section. Now we are done cutting everything, and as you can see, it looks very presentable. Okay, perfect. Now what you are seeing now is not intestine, okay? That is matured eggs, so we are not going to remove it. I will be folding one like how you are seeing on the screen. Okay, and when you are folding this fish, please be very careful because the teeth are very sharp. If I tell you what this fish did to me, the same type did to me some time ago, oh my goodness. But when I finished preparing it, I dealt with it. Yes, I dealt with it. So be very mindful when you are folding it. Okay, so when you fold it like that, after that you just put the tail in the mouth. You can see how the teeth are very long. Yes, they are very sharp, so be very mindful. It is so simple. We are done with that. Just see that. Perfect. Now I am just going to wash the fish very well with my lemon juice, and then we will continue. So after I finish washing everything, I will go ahead and then add some salt to the fish you are seeing. I added mackerel to it, and then tuna. Okay, I didn't want the video to be very long, so the way I removed the intestine is the same thing I applied to the salmon, which is the mackerel. Okay, but in Ghana we call it salmon. So that is why I did not show it in the camera. I didn't want the video to be very long. Now we are just going to allow this to stay in the water for 30 to 40 minutes, okay? And after 20 minutes, I will remove the one I cut and then allow the rest to be in the salt water for extra 10 to 20 minutes because they are very big. After that, I strain it, and then this is how it looks. So now we don't have any water there, okay? Even if we have, it is better than earlier, okay? We are just going to arrange it on a rack like this and then put this in your oven or in your air fryer, and voila, this is ready. Yes, I bake this for 30 to 40 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit in my oven. Thank you so much for watching. So I come your way next time. Always remember, I love you and eat healthy. See you in the next one. Bye bye.